episode of Real Sam Smith. So how are you doing today? So to kick things off, I want to make sure you guys are a part of the Grace family on YouTube. Are you? I don't know anymore. I really don't. But one thing I do know is you go down right now, share and subscribe to join the best family on YouTube. Also join the notification squad. They upload when new videos come out. You'll be guaranteed and set for success for the new 2018 year. I made this short, quick video for you guys. I know you probably saw by the thumbnail and title. Yes, it is true. I am finally going back to school. But, you know, I'm actually a little nervous. You know, today's my first day of school, and I feel like a little kid again. You know, I need to pack my lunchbox. My mom needs to help me. I want the peanut butter and jelly. Strawberry, not grape. And it should be a pretty fun day. Like I said, I'm a little nervous because, you know, when I was a little kid, I used to get bullied and picked on a bunch in school. Starting off in college today, you look at a new college student. I'm actually pretty excited. I'm a little nervous, like I said, but I'm pretty excited, guys. So, you know, the gist of it, I am starting off at community college. Yes, community college, I know. But it's a good start there. I'm going to start there. My associates, whatever you kids call it nowadays. UCF, of course. If you don't know who UCF is, University of Central Florida, the Knights. Their football team actually went 13-0. The only undefeated team in college football this season. Destroyed Auburn when I was actually pretty surprised too. I didn't think anybody had a chance against Auburn, yet alone UCF. But they beat them. They had an undefeated season. So that's cool. I'll be going to University of Central Florida. I've been out there for some parties and, you know, other cool stuff so far. But I'll be officially a Knight one day. So a little history lesson here. When I first moved down here in 2015 from Missouri, I didn't really want to go to a big university, college, or anything like that. Like, I just wanted to, if you don't know, I will be a sports broadcaster someday. And I will make it. I will. So, I didn't want to go to university and deal with all the math or all that drama. I just want to strictly focus on what I want to do for my career one day. So, I started off going to a trade school, which, let me tell you, I thought it would be a good decision. Keyword, thought. And it turned out to be a huge waste of money, which I'm still paying for, by the way. And, you know, a little paper certificate that didn't turn into any jobs. So I thought it'd be the best thing to do is go back to college, get a real degree, and continue my dream. But don't get too carried away. Don't get, you know, too excited or sad. I'm still going to continue YouTube. I'm not going to give up on it. It's my dream. I'm just letting you guys know what my next big move is. Look at the new college student here, guys. So I'm going to take you on some crazy, wild journey through my college lifestyle. All these college years be there with me, just like when Andy on Toy Story, you know, they took Woody and Buzz and all those little guys in college with them. I'll take you guys with me, too. Let's Gucci. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it's a little bit different, but I just want to give you a quick update of what I'm about to get ready to do for today. Going to school for the first time. Pretty excited, pretty nervous, but I got you guys with me. You guys will be on the journey. If you are subscribed to the family, you'll be in the newest uploads if you're a part of the notification squad. So I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, if you like my sweet outfit, picked out just for you guys. Cool glasses too. So I'm pretty excited today. I'm about to head on to the bus with my lunchbox, paper, and jelly. Comment down below right now, guys. What grade are you in? It can be kindergarten, preschool, you know, high school, whatever. Comment that down below. Watching this video. Hope you all have an amazing Monday. Go out there, kill it, chase your dreams. And until next time, take care.